anything further, that I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Usually, I always have my graphics on, but I can't seem to find. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Just a. Here we go. All right. How is everybody today? A lot of red, right? Oh boy, fire sale right now. I actually just bought a whole bunch. I bought Luna right now. I just bought Luna right before I started. I was just like, oh my god, this is my dream price. This is the price where I wanted to get in when I sold it. So that was good. I had fun. Now even like the rune price is good price. I was just like, whoa, this is good price. That's the price I wanted. Believe it or not, I made a call. I was just like, if rune goes to 750, so then rune goes to 755. I was just like, are you kidding me? Oh, a lot of good stuff going on, guys. I don't think you guys understand the length of what is going on under the hood. And we'll okay. So first, we'll go ahead and do our market settlement, and then we'll do whatever coins you guys want me to look at. I do want to do a little bit of a self promo. You guys can see me on TikTok. Guys, I'm on TikTok, and I'm on Twitter. If you guys followed me on Twitter, you guys might have been actually ahead of the game. Here we go. I made some calls. I even said I hate being right. I made this call when Bitcoin was at 43,000, and I'm like, and I'm telling everybody like wants to make another leg down. Anyways, and then I made a call on April 8th. Luna, I told you guys to like sell Luna. I had two price targets. One was 111 for Luna, and one was 118 for Luna. And now I'm making this is another wild card. If I said like, if Luna went down to these prices, would you buy? And now Rune is like 760 right now, but like Luna is in a good buy range, so I bought some. Anyways, enough of that. Like what I'm trying to say, guys, is if you guys want to stay like, I don't post very often, but I do post some stuff that you might think is a little bit useful. I post stuff that I think leverage is a concern. There's too much leverage, and Bitcoin barely got out of the sideways range here, so that was concerning. And sometimes I put stuff here regarding stuff. Gate has like fun puzzles to do. You should guys participate in that. Anyways, even I do TikTok. I have a couple book recommendations on there. Guys, see me. Trading in the Zone, The Disciplined Trader. What a Candlestick by Steve Nelson, Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill, and The School of Greatness by Lewis Howes, and Letting Go. Okay, so those books recommendation is all about the psychology of your brain. Okay, and I did another one for better traders. If you want to be a trader, right? Trading in the Zone, of course, right? Mastering the Trade. Mastering the Trade. This is a very, very good book. A lot of the strategies that I implement in my trading comes from this book. Mastering the Trade is a good book. I would not, even though like this John Carter is for like stock trading. Actually, it's more like options trading, by the way. It's more options trading. But yes, you could do this with stocks. But what I'm trying to say is a lot of the things that I implement in my strategy comes from this book. And this book is kind of, it's not thick. This is a thick book. Here, just 1 second. From this book. It's not that thin. It's not thin. It's okay. Maybe the pages are thick, but it's like good 400 plus some pages. It's a very good book. A lot of the things that I do comes from this. Now, before I did crypto, I was doing a lot of stock options, or the options based. So I got I don't like right now. I think crypto is mature. So having me recommending you to read Complete Guide to Options Selling, I don't feel like it's relevant for me to recommend it to you. But maybe if you guys want to, when crypto becomes more mature, then yeah, I would recommend it. But for now, no recommendation on that. And I have a couple other books for you. Fibonacci Trading by Carolyn Borden. This is a very good book. I always, how I got Luna to be 111, and I said second target, Luna 118. That comes from Fibonacci Trading. That comes from this book. Rune at 750, and Luna is way oversold. Okay, way oversold. They're now at $83 or $84. That all comes from here. Okay, that trading comes from here. There's too much stuff for me to cover, and I only have 1 hour with you guys a week, so I can't cover everything. So that's why I made this recommendation list. And intelligent investors, being patient. You have to practice patience. And technical analysis. This is for the stock market, but this is very much usable in the stock market. So even though these are like stock market and futures books, they're very much applicable to the cryptocurrency. Even crypto is the thing is crypto is more volatile. So yeah, you do need to take profits when the opportunity arises. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys about all of that stuff. Take a look on the TikTok. You might actually find some useful information for yourself. Okay. All right. Enough about self promo. Okay. Self promo. We'll go ahead and get to our fear. We're at 20. Guys, we're at 20. Doesn't look, of course, that's expected because now we got leverages unwinding. We got a lot of leverages unwinding. This is on the 5 minute. Let's check this out on the daily. Okay, this is the price. We're at, let's say, 39,000. We went from 900 to 700. So a little bit of unwinding. Yeah, a little bit of unwinding. We went from there, and now leverage is sitting 20% down. So that's a good thing. It's a way to clean out some leverage, but not the way I would like. Not the way I like. And of course, we have liquidations. liquidations. 450 million in the last 24 hours. This is retail. This is not institution selling out their coins. Okay, this is retail for all you paper hands out there. Okay, so how in crypto is basically a wild ride. A lot of first timers. I understand you guys. I was like that. I was doing. It's not like stock trading. You do stock trading. You're in a bull market for the last 2 decades. you know, um, but now we're dealing with a completely different environment, and you need to adapt to the environment that you're in. Okay, so dominance, Bitcoin dominance. Dominance is kind of now going sort of sideways here. So that's kind of unexciting for Bitcoin. Here I was thinking like, oh my gosh, we should be entering pre-season, but looks like we're not going to do that. All right, let's go down to the charts. Anybody in chat? Oh my goodness, my chat is not loading up now. That's weird. All right, chat's not loading, so I can't see if you guys even have questions for me today. That's not fun. That is not fun. Definitely ask what's going on. All right. All right. Okay. I got one person that says, okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, saying maybe my chat is disabled. Okay. I can't. I don't have anything to say to that if my chat is disabled. I'm wondering, like, how come no one's chatting and then my chat is disabled? All right. That is not fun, and I don't even know how to unable to make it able. So this is not fun for me. Let's see if I can fix that. I'm sorry. I apologize for this. I thought I was golden. It looks like I have to do more. Yeah, I don't even know how to enable it. All right. We'll just go to the Bitcoin chart today. Guys, I really do encourage you guys to take a look at my what I write on Twitter. Take a look. This helps. I'm trying to help you guys stay up to date what I think that may happen, and you don't have to take my word for it. That's why a lot of times I always tell you, like, look at the RSI. Okay, and we can see that. All right. This is our Bitcoin chart. Yeah, I sent out that tweet right here when Bitcoin was 42, and I was telling you, like, I think Bitcoin's gonna fall down, and it went up to 43. So yeah, it doesn't. Yeah. Okay. All right. I see. I got a friend of mine helping me. This is where the chats are. Okay. Howdy, Sky. Oh, thank you. Preparing for war. Thank you. Then yeah. Okay, you guys see me on TikTok. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you. I hope those books really are helpful for you. Thank you. Some of the books I've never heard of. Oh, you've never heard of the books, Stefan? How come you've heard the books? That's weird. Those are like kind of, well, I don't know if I would say they're very popular or in demand books, but those books are definitely I don't know what to tell you. Like I read them and I feel like I have a very deeper understanding of markets, not necessarily of crypto markets, but markets in general. And the thing about markets is it doesn't matter if it's crypto, futures, or options. They all work the same and the patterns are the same. I guess I shouldn't say options are the same, but options is, you can, you have the opportunity to, instead of making, doing spot trades, you can, you know, amplify your win, right? Anyways, okay, so here we are at Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin is really, really oversold. Look at the 4-hour. I told you here. I think Bitcoin's gonna go under, go take a leg down. So be prepared. We even had this. This was like a warning for you guys. This is a warning. You can see the RSI. Oh my god, I can't even see my RSI. Okay, there it is. You can see the RSI. It's up here, right? It's up here. And we have price doing this absurd highs, right? So it's time to fall, right? It's time to fall and or watch closely, right? We've been failing a couple times here. I told you guys last week, hey, we need to, this candle is very important. If this candle doesn't hold, then we are going under, okay? So RSIs are telling you a story, guys. They're telling you. Now, on top of the story that they're telling you, I'm telling you also in advance that, hey guys, a big move is going to come, right? Big moves are coming. See these? These are moves. These are moves that are going to happen, okay? Big moves are coming. Big moves are coming, right? The big, the moves are already, by the time you find out it's here, you're already too late, right? You're already too late. You already know it's too late. It's too late, too late. But you can get a head start by being aware that they are in a squeeze. Squeeze, 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 like you squeeze your buns. All right? So you guys, you try to I really do encourage those books that you guys read. I really do. But if you guys, I understand like the squeeze indicator isn't on every platform or every place. So AltiTradey has it. And I know TradingView has it as well. Okay. So I also have my Medium. I tell you guys about Medium. I write links about it. If you guys don't know where to find AltiTradey, I got links there in the description. Okay. So where are we heading now? Okay. I think your people will love Colt. Okay. Someone wants me to look at Colt. Okay, I'll look at Bitcoin first before I look at Colt. Okay. Where can we find some bottoms here, guys? This is pretty oversold for Bitcoin, as I was saying on the 4-hour. But how are we looking on the daily? Daily, we have we could see a little bit more. We could see potentially a little bit more. The way this is going. The way this is looking is like we did this, right? We did this long sideways, not sideways, long bear market. And now we're kind of holding here, right? But this is concerning from my point of view. It looks like kind of a flag. It does look like a little bit like a flag, guys. A bear flag, right? this could go down more. Okay, it can go down more. And on the 3-day, we're losing a lot of steam. We're losing a lot of steam here. Okay, all of this losing steam. We're in a squeeze, and we could be pushing down far. We can push down far. When these squeezes fire, you want to get out of the way. Okay, now squeeze here, we fired up. Squeeze here, we fired down. Okay, these squeezes are super strong. Okay, now I don't think we're gonna fire down. Of course, I can't say that. Financial advice. I do think we could visit these bottoms again. Okay, and potentially just kind of do a continuation back into a sideways pattern. Okay, that's what it looks like it wants to do. Okay, which is a really good scenario. Okay, if Bitcoin just goes back down and just hangs out here on the side for a little bit, that's okay. That's good news. That's good news. Okay, the bad news is if it goes down further, which we don't want. We don't want Bitcoin to go down further. We want Bitcoin to just go sideways. Okay, so my theory is that Bitcoin will hopefully not go further down, just and if it does, just hit 37, 36 and just be done. Okay, just be done. Hang out 37, 36, go back 41, 42, and if it needs to come back down, make a slightly lower, like a lesser lower low. Okay, this is looking really, we want to see like a little bit lower low. Okay, preferably we don't want Bitcoin to go down, right? We don't want Bitcoin to go down. We want Bitcoin to just kind of go sideways. Either Bitcoin goes here or bounces here, whatever. So I'm looking, I'm buying a little bit because I'm slightly bullish. I'm still bullish because the fundamentals behind Bitcoin have just grown significantly better over the last 1 year, 2 years, just significantly on a macro environment. However, United States and world markets, like other countries and stuff, have gone down significantly. Especially, whatever the dollar. I think the dollar crisis can bring Bitcoin down. It could really bring that down. But typically, before the stock market crashes, it usually makes an all-time high. Typically, just letting you know. So, letting you guys know, you should definitely be prepared for the worst, but also know that you're at a really good level for support too. Okay, the levels of support, as disgusting as they are potentially around 35,000. Okay, as disgusting as that level may sound. So yeah, we do have I think we personally do have a little bit more room to go down a little bit more. Okay, be prepared for that kind of fallback. Okay, but if you guys aren't sure, you can always buy some now and dollar cost average as it comes down further. You don't have to buy everything at one price. And as for me, I have a lot of confidence in Bitcoin, so I'm okay with dollar cost averaging. I'm okay with that strategy. All right, we'll go ahead and look at Colt on a daily, guys. For Bitcoin, I expect a little bit of a bounce. I don't want it to like a bounce and then go up. Honestly, that's what I really like. I don't like Bitcoin bloody. There's no squeeze on the 12-hour. Nothing on the 6 hour. 4 hour fired off down. Yeah, Bitcoin just needs to just consolidate for a little bit before I even give you a heads up what I think it may do. Okay. But I'm just letting you go, guys. You know, we're taking a step back. We can definitely go a lot lower. But I think we're pretty low. I feel like we're so close to the bottom already. But you know, if whatever, Bitcoin just got hit so bad, like with war, with the recession, with regulation, it's been hit so bad. So I personally, I'm actually just dollar cost averaging. I don't know about what you guys want to do, but I'm okay. I bought some. I'm not going to try to catch the bottom. I will hold on to Bitcoin. Okay. So that's just my point of view. Everyone is like, maybe they're trying to catch it. Like, oh, I want to get an extra 20%. I'm just like, I'm going to hold this forever and probably not even going to give it to my kids or something. Okay. So that's what I think about Bitcoin. However, I wouldn't mind doing leverage. I would not mind doing leverage with Bitcoin. If I'm going short, that is. Okay, so let's look at cult. No cult. No cult. Okay, so no one has any questions about coins? If you guys have questions about coins, or if you think, if you're asking what I should, like what I think about Luna and stuff. Yeah, Luna's so oversold. Luna's so oversold. Like a high of 119. I said sell your Luna at 118. That's pretty close to the top. Nobody, no questions? Anyone has some questions? Yeah, my chat's not working still. Cults. Yeah, I don't see cult there. Cult. Yeah, no cult. Dollar cost averaging is always the best option. The way you stay prepared for however low it could possibly go and not miss out if it doesn't. Yeah. So Faith, you got a good point. It's better to stay in the market than out of the market, because typically a big sell-off, what happens is a big bounce. And it always goes up higher. It always does. Ask to list cult is the next Bitcoin. Guys, there's a lot of people keep asking me to like list this and list that. I have no influence on Gate to list any coins. And the last 2-3 coins that people asked me to look into, they were like trading less than a penny. I don't want to. I'm willing to trade like $2 stocks, but like when you ask me to like look at trading for like under a penny, I I don't even really want to look at it, to be honest. Especially oftentimes they're illiquid, not enough liquidity in it. So it's more like, do I really want to hold on to this? I can look at cult, but if it's less than a penny, I'm not even gonna bother looking. Okay, I'll look at cult. I'll look at your community. Okay, I'll look at your community. I'll look at your Discord, and I'll look at your team. All right, and guys, even though you guys don't have a an exchange to list, you can still do okay. You guys can still do pretty good. You don't need to be listed on an exchange to gain popularity or anything. I mean, if you guys are familiar with Hex is, it's not listed on any exchange, and it's top 200 or top 500 coins. I'm just saying. Yeah. Let's see. Any more questions? Take a look at TRX, Tron. That's Tron, right? I bought some Tron a while back. Tron's cool, actually. It's kind of like a little bit old, right? It's been old. It's been like, I feel like Tron has been around since like 2015, 2016, something like that. At least like the last bull run, right? Let's see, how far? I could have swore I heard of Tron at least like the last bull run. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, let's see on the daily. Oh, it's pretty low. It's pretty low. If you're stingy, okay. If you're stingy, Indiana Gems. If you're stingy, try putting limit orders for 50 cents. You might actually get filled on this. And that's from last year. Or wait, yeah, last year. If you're stingy and you're just patient, you might actually get filled if you're bullish on this, okay? If you're bullish, Tron has had a lot of volume in the last spike up. So that to me tells me that there's a whole bunch of bag holders here. Okay? Just by looking at this trading volume here, look at this. Look at this compared to all of that. See? Look at a big discrepancy, right? So this tells me that there's a whole bunch of bag holders here. Okay? So I would be pretty stingy if you're bullish. I would like try to get this at like if I wanted to get this, I would be stingy like 50 cents, maybe even 45 cents. Just to be stingy. Get more for your bang, more bang for your buck, less risk, everything, right? So that is what I think about Tron. Someone's asking about BAT. Okay, I can look at BAT. That's not bad. That's not bad. I actually kind of do like BAT token. BAT, kind of similar deal. If you guys want to be stingy, I'd try to put some bids around 48 cents, 50 cents. But this is not a bad sell buy range either. I think I just have more love for Tron than I do for BAT. But yeah, this is not bad. If you're bullish, yeah, I would try to go for 65 cents. If it breaks below, I think it's just time to kiss goodbye. Be like, I love you and goodbye. Thank you. Yeah. So BAT, not bad. Test level. I would like to see this. Yeah, I would like to see this hold 64, 65. I don't want to see this go down to like 50 cents, for example. Okay, for you guys that are bullish on BAT. Okay, that's not a bad. BAT, it's not a bad token. Okay, that's not a bad token. Rune? Any Rune lovers? Or is it just me? I feel like I love Rune the most. I feel like Rune has the strong, like kind of strong fundamentals happening here, especially with the Luna integration. And soon they're good. They're doing stuff with Phantom and all that others. They're going to, their goal is to be multi-chain, multi-chain. So, yeah, I bought some at like 760. I'm already down a little bit, but I don't care. Let's see. Yeah, I like it at 7. I'll probably like it more if it goes down to 4. I love it at 7. I'll love it more at 4. I'll love it more at 6. I'll love it extra at 4. A lot of buyers in this, so I know like a lot of people get scared. They'll probably just like dump the coin. Preferably, I actually do a little bit of LP for Rune. So it's like Rune and like Bitcoin LP. Just getting interest on both of them is not bad. Okay. Glimmer, you guys, Glimmer's not bad. Look, even in a terrible market condition, it still went up higher, So Glimmer, Moonbeam. I really do like Moonbeam, actually. Moonbeam, I think, is good. Good future potential. If I'm patient or bullish on this, I'll try to go for like 3 or something like that. I like 3 or like, maybe 280. Okay. If you're really patient. And this is all under the ideal and umbrella that Bitcoin doesn't fall further. Okay. If Bitcoin stays here and just dabbles around and just bounces like this, then yeah, I'm okay. I feel comfortable holding onto all the altcoins that I mentioned all above. Okay. But if Bitcoin goes down further below, these altcoins are just going to get destroyed. Okay. All of them, all the altcoins are going to get destroyed. So if you're going to be buying, be stingy. Okay. Be stingy. Have a stop loss. And just like, for all you degens out there, look at what's happening on the RSI. Okay. The RSI on the 4-hour, if you're so in tune with the market. Okay. If you're so in tune with the market, you can see we're oversold. Okay. We're oversold. We're still in bloody territory. Okay. We're still red. And we're still red here. Okay. Try to look at the yellow. Okay. Look at the bright side. You want to see yellow become teal. Okay. So yellow to teal, good, but you want to see high peaks. Okay. High peaks. You don't want to see little hills. You want to see high peaks. Okay. All right, guys. If there's not any more questions, I will pass. Do I have any more questions? Do I have any more questions? If I have any more questions, I will continue. If there's no questions, I will decontinue. All right. Okay. Okay, guys. I have my assistant actually helping me now because I gotta read the chat. Okay. All right. It looks like no new questions. Okay. Thank you. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and just end this. Proceed with caution. We are in crucial. We're in crucial levels, but at the same time, I still see that we're sort of in a range. Okay. We're just. I think we're just gonna go sideways for a little bit longer. Um, all of this was just meant to clear up the leverage. Okay. I think people just got a little bit too excited and it just made the market go into super hot mode, and now it's just gradually, and maybe it needs to unwind a little bit more. Okay. uh it's a little bit abnormal what I'm looking at, because we I don't think we've actually really went up further. I can understand we get to the top and then everyone is going putting on leverage and betting their house, but to be this early into a like before a leg up and everyone putting on leverage seems a little bit strange to me. So I think the psychology behind this is that a lot of people are worried, they're panicking about what's going to happen in the next couple months. Maybe they're afraid of food shortage. So then they're like, okay, if Bitcoin's going up and Bitcoin is this inflation hedge, I got to bet my house. Okay. So that's what it looks like from the way I'm reading it. So um, that's not the way to trade, because that's emotional trading. So when this happens, you guys just, it's okay. Take a chill back. Don't bet the house. Bet with small money. Okay. Bet with house money, if anything. Bet with, not your house, not your house. Okay. Bet with the money that you already have profit in. And when you do make profits, always reinvest it. Okay. All right. All right, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Okay. I'm so sorry about the chat not working out, but we'll we'll uh, we'll see if I can fix that technical difficulties. All right, stay tuned and follow me on Twitter. All right, goodbye, guys.